Many coaches, when they start out with their online coaching program, they want to jump straight into doing group coaching, even if they never had a client or if they had just a few clients. But the best way to go is to actually start out with having one-on-one coaching, because you need to get to know your ideal client. And even though you think you may know them, you will actually probably learn a lot by having one-on-one clients. So I really recommend that you have one-on-one clients for at least the first 20 clients or so. And then once you simply don't have enough time to take on all these one-on-one coaching calls, then you can jump into a group program, but not before that. A lot of the people want to start with the group coaching because, of course, it saves you a lot of time, but it's better for the clients to start out with a one-on-one coaching program and then go to a group coaching program, and then later on, when you have so many clients and you know them so well that you can build a program that doesn't require you, one of these programs with just a bunch of videos, because you know exactly what questions your clients always have. But you can't build any program like that until you had a lot of clients. And that's why you also need to stick to a small niche, because if you want to build an online program where you can answer all their questions without them even asking them, because you have had so many clients before, that can only be done if you are in a small niche, because otherwise you can't make one of these programs that covers every niche. You can only cover one small niche, right, and answer their questions in your program. That type of program that just consists of a lot of videos. Comment below if you have any questions, and give me a like if you like it, and follow for more, and share it with friends and family. Take care.